Tip 2, stay informed and adapt. Continuously educate yourself about your inspection industry, the marketing trends, what's new, what's going on, and new technologies like my drone there, my infrared camera over there in my tool bag. Staying informed will keep you competitive and excited about your business. Are you subscribed to InterNetG newsletters? No. What? Or maybe you are subscribed, but you don't open them because you don't have any time. Yeah, you do. I bet if you're on the couch on social media, I bet you got an extra hour, just like that fella that we saw earlier, right? If you want to know what's new in the industry, subscribe to InterNetG newsletters. Look around for a local chapter. InterNetG has chapters all over the world. In Texas, we have a dozen chapters. I think in North Carolina, we have 4 or 5. In Florida, we have a ton. Mentors, we have a mentoring program. These are certified master inspectors who agree to volunteer their time to help other inspectors. We have a mentoring program. InterNetG's online community. There's tens of thousands of people online, all in one place. That's on our online forum, netg.org/forum. Well, where are the other certified inspectors? If they're not online or in a chapter, where are they? They're available through InterNetG's website. And you can find all of the inspectors within a 5-mile radius. That's through InterNetG. Find another certified home inspector. Ask him or her for some advice, guidance. Can I have some coffee? Can I buy you a coffee? Can I carry your tools for the afternoon? InterNetG has 30,000 inspectors in the United States. Get with like-minded people. Go to InterNetG events. We have chapter events. We have events at the InterNetG House of Horrors, national events, regional events, social media. Get on social media. Don't waste your time there, but get in and stay focused. Find something interesting and valuable and take it. Information that is valuable to you personally, but really we're talking about business. InterNetG webinars. This is a great way to stay informed and adapt and grow. Take continuing education from the only home inspector college at internetg.edu. Continuously learn, always be learning. If you don't have a job scheduled today, learn something new. I tell my girls, I'm a father of 3. The best thing you can do in life is to learn something new. The worst thing you can do in life is waste your time. Leverage InterNetG resources to manage your time and use it effectively and wisely, and invest time to learn something new and to stay informed.